Hi, I'm Alex Daly for Daily Driver TV. On today's video, I'm going to install this GMRS radio into my dad's F150 as a Christmas present for him. He got some pretty cool parts to make this install a breeze. This BuiltRight Industries bracket for the actual radio to go on the cubby hole on the dash. This is a cool unit. Everything you need is on the handhelds, and it's kind of like a blank deck. So that'll install on the BuiltRight bracket on top of the dash in there. And then for the antenna, they got this bulletproof diesel patented third brake light antenna mount. So all these cool parts from Senior should add up to a nice install. Why don't you join me? We'll see how it goes. Where the fuck does that? You can try it out and I'll be on my phone, because part of it is that it's a present for you and you're going to be so happy trying it out. I'll have the handheld.
All right, so it should work.
Yeah.
Testing. Alex, take this. Testing.
Loud and clear.
Reception's good in here.
Nice, yeah, just for the yard it sounds good. You'll have to do a test drive soon too.
Yeah. Roger.
Very nice and clear. An upgrade from the CB in that department, I think.
Yeah, agreed. And with the mount of the radio, the speaker is where it's on top, so it's easy to hear.
Nice, yeah, like it's when the Ranchero has a single mono speaker just right up there. It bounces off the windshield.
Roger that.
Cool. Very happy you're pleased with your install of your Midland unit, the bracket on top, and the antenna on the third brake light.
Yeah, I'm just looking for my call sign.
Right, you're all official and licensed. We can use the full power of this unit.
Roger that.
Cool, well, glad it works. This was the test. All those connections are fine and everything. You know, we're live.
Yeah, let me start it up to see if there's any ignition interference.
Roger.
Okay, I'm on. How's reception now?
Still sounds great. Can you hear me on the inside? That cab is pretty quiet too.
Yes, I can. Sounds good.
Perfect. A lot of planes coming in to land at wings under the cloud cover.
Nice. Yeah, maybe the game's on in like 5 minutes.
Yeah, great timing. It works. No problems to troubleshoot. Don't forget your beers on the back.
Roger that. And then we'll test out range, some other day. How's that?
Perfect. Merry Christmas, Dad.
Thank you, son.